back to one of the literally most magical places in Ontario. We are at Great Wolf Lodge here in Niagara Falls. Catherine is joining us once again. I am so glad to be back here. Thank you so much for inviting us.
Thanks for coming.
I think this is probably like the most magical time of the year.
Yeah, definitely.
What's going on?
So we're celebrating the howlidays. We like to call them here at Great Wolf Lodge.
The howlidays,
Yeah.
I love it.
We've got some special activities. As you can see, we've got Santa here visiting.
Yeah.
So make sure you write your
Hi,
Christmas
Santa.
list. Bring it for Santa.
Hi guys!
And also,
Bring our list.
you can write a list while you're here.
Well, the whole Canada Post strike has really
I know.
you know?
We have a special connection with Santa. We actually personally deliver those letters.
Oh, that's
And
amazing.
you might even get a letter back from Santa.
No.
Absolutely.
Okay, so this is the place to do it. Now, I know you guys have lots of free events for families.
We
Tell
do.
me about some of them.
So when you're staying with us, you're welcome to enjoy our yoga tales. We've got story time. We have a Frosty Fest dance party, magic shows, face painting, balloon twisting, all the fun stuff. And of course, it snows 3 times a day in our living room.
Oh my God. And it's not cold.
No.
That's the best part.
It's cool.
I don't know if anyone's building a snowman, but you still get to enjoy a few isolated flurries.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, so you come in, you see Santa, and Santa has brought the lovely Mrs. Claus as well.
That's right. She's
That's
here with us too.
special.
I know. It's
We're going
great.
the wrong way here, aren't we?
Whoa!
That's okay.
Hi guys. Have
Thank
fun.
you.
The smiles on these kids' faces is all worth it. And I hear the CHCH viewers are getting a bit of a deal.
That's true. So for stays from now till December 19th, if you stay with us from Sunday to Thursday, 25% off your stay with a deal CHCH Fun.
CHCH Fun. Come and visit Great Wolf Lodge during the holiday season. Bring your family. Oh, this is so much fun. We have so much more coming up on Morning Live. Next stop, the most amazing gingerbread house you will ever see. So much more coming up. Make sure you stay with us. We are back in the living room at Great Wolf Lodge. Why not spend the holidays
That's right.
with your family here? This is just such a magical place at Christmas time. Eric is joining me now, and Eric is the director of food and beverage here. And how many years have you built this gingerbread house?
We've been building 17 of these beautiful gingerbread houses.
Wow.
17 of them.
Okay, now this is all made out of real food.
All real food, all made from our bakery team. We start production in June.
In June.
So it takes a lot of labor of love. Our engineering team is very much involved with it, so it's a big effort for everybody.
Of course. Now tell me, I mean, I love so much about this. The fact that A, you have a real gingerbread house in your
Yes.
living room. B, that people can actually dine in the gingerbread house. Like these kids are having the best time of their lives right now. Tell me about the charity aspect.
Yeah, so for 17 years we've been hosting some charities for the Niagara region, for St. Catharines, and this year we're doing Ozanam Center and our soup kitchen in Niagara Falls. And there's a $25 sitting fee. There's
Yeah.
reservations that our guests can book through Yelp. And all the proceeds go straight to those charities that we host. And for the 17 years that we're doing this, we're pushing about $100,000 just in gingerbread.
Just in the gingerbread house.
Just in gingerbread.
Just
That's it.
25 bucks a pop.
That's it.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know what though? It is such a wonderful experience for your family.
And it
at
smells
this
good.
time of year. It smells so good
And it
in
smells
there.
fantastic.
But I have to ask you, experience aside, how many times do kids actually like gnaw on the wall?
There's going to be every day. They're going to try to sneak a snack, and you see them licking the walls. But it's a look and don't touch type of experience. But we promote the fun, and we do little repairs here and there because
Yeah,
accidents happen.
yeah.
And then you might find a gingerbread with a little
teeth
mouse.
mark?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I love the fun of it. And the fact that you guys have like a full train that goes all the way through.
Yeah,
like your engineering team is on
Oh
this.
yeah, we've been adding elements. It used to be very, very small, fitting 4 people
Yeah.
with a licorice roof back in the day.
A licorice, like,
And
wait,
now-
black or red licorice?
It was red. I remember we cleared out the entire Niagara region of licorice. Yeah. So we've added a peak, we've added the village, we've added the fireplace, and we really expanded to try to get a little bit more of our families involved inside of the gingerbread
I
house.
kind of feel like I'm going to come back here in 5 years from now and you're going to have like a full gingerbread restaurant.
Well, there's going to be 2 stories and there's going to be an addition with a sunroom.
Totally.
But yeah, creativity. We want to go fun. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I love it. Well, thank you so much for showcasing such an amazing experience.
Pleasure,
Dine in and donate in one of the biggest and best gingerbread houses I have ever seen. So much more coming up on Morning Live. We are headed to the water park next, so you don't want to miss that. But for now, I'm going to send things back inside the studio. Okay, we have made our way to the water park. We are celebrating the holidays at Great Wolf Lodge for, oh wait, I said it wrong. It's supposed to be the howlidays.
That's right.
Not the holidays. I'm here with Brett. And Brett, this wave pool is something that we didn't talk about the last time we were here at Halloween. So I really wanted to showcase how much fun this is.
Well, you really did yourself a disservice if you didn't come in here last time. 115,000 gallons of family fun. 0 depth entry, so everyone can participate and enjoy.
Yeah.
It's a great time.
And like these waves, they go on and off, right?
That's
like
correct.
my kids are always obsessed with like, when's the wave gonna go on? And I love the fact that it's always a surprise.
That's right. Like, and our guests are always coming up to our lifeguards. When the waves start, when the waves start.
Yeah.
It's such a big draw. It's like the heart of the water park.
Yeah, it really is. And you know what I've noticed? Like your lifeguard staffing is next level.
That's awesome. We take that that's such a huge point of pride for us. Our guards, you see, they're always patrolling, they're prowling. They're kind of like, I think one guest called it lions at feeding time at the zoo.
Totally.
Like, they are on point and ready to go at all times.
Like they're militant about it. And I think that is so reassuring to parents that come here with their small kids and you know, mom's gotta go to the bathroom or dad's gotta step away for a minute and they know that their kids are being supervised all the time when their eyes aren't necessarily completely on them.
Yeah, absolutely. We're so proud of our team here. They're top notch in everything that they do.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about the accessibility of this wave park because I know lots of kids come here with different special needs. You guys are able to accommodate that and that is so special.
Absolutely. We really aim to try and get everyone, an opportunity to experience everything that we offer here. It's great having this 0 depth facility where we can have people enter in easily and safely so they have the best time.
Like wheelchair and
Absolutely.
strollers. I mean, they
Absolutely.
can come right in and they can just kind of be dropped off and away they go.
Well, with their parent supervision, of
Well,
course.
of course, yeah. I mean, I love what you guys do here. I love the facility. It's clean, it's well organized. I mean, it is so much fun. And the fact that it's now cold outside and it's winter and there's
Hey,
snow.
always 84 in here, right? We're
Yeah.
nice and balmy, it's nice and warm.
It is always a good time to come to the water park at Great Wolf Lodge celebrating the holidays. We'll be right back. I'm going to be hitting one of the water slides. I'm not sure if I'm going to go down it.
I think you should go down.
Oh, I don't know, Brett. I don't know. We'll see. But there's so much more coming up on Morning Live. Make sure you stay with us. Oh, and there goes Rob all the way down the wolf tail. That is terrifying. I don't think you would ever catch me doing that. However, John, these 2 slides,
That's right.
I can manage. But first, tell us about this terrifying one and why can you hear your heartbeat?
So we've got for all of our thrill seekers. So you got a little speaker up top. You got that heartbeat sensor right there. It's a 7-second ride, but it feels like it's a split second. This is definitely for those extreme riders that are ready to go. You got a little see-through glass right there, so you can tell that drop ready to happen.
I don't know.
And
I
then
feel like
before you know, that fun is ready to happen again.
it would feel like an eternity for me.
You'd love it.
Now, I know this is the most popular spot here at the water park.
That's
So
right.
we've got the wolf tail. And then what's this one that we have?
So this is our Niagara Rapids run. Here we have a large inner tube where we can fit 2 to 3 of our guests. We have 4 conveyor belts that will send this tube all the way through this awesome slide right here.
Oh my gosh.
And if you guys are ready, give me a big thumbs up. You guys all set? All right, 3, 2, 1, launch. Here we go,
Off
guys.
you go. Bye. See you later. Oh, wow.
And they're
That is
off. You can see them
fast.
going through all the different zones right now, twisting and turning, having a blast.
Oh my gosh. I can hear them screaming from here. Okay, so that's just number 2. And then we've got number 3.
And this is for everybody. This is our woolly mammoth.
This is a family-friendly
This is
ride.
the family-friendly ride. So
This is
even if
more
they're
my
new to our
speed.
water slides, all
Hi,
the little
guys.
guys will enjoy it.
This is so fun.
Are you guys all set? Yeah. All right, let's have some memories, have some fun, guys.
Okay, and now we're talking about making memories. What I love about what you have here at the water slides, you can scan your wristband that everybody gets, and then you get a photo.
That's right. Scan your wristband, or even in the arcade, you can enjoy all these memories forever.
That is amazing. So when you scan it, you've obviously got hidden cameras in there.
Well, at the bottom, at the exit, when they come out, it captures that end of that awesome experience where they're just ready to get back at it.
Well, you know, I've gotten the picture once, and you know, it was cool, but I looked terrified.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, how much water's in the water park?
This water park, so it's a 100,000 square foot water park. We have a variety of pools, 13 water slides, over
You guys go
hundreds of
ahead.
thousands of liters of water in this place. Splash, have some great fun. I know we're having an awesome promo right now, CHCH Fun. If you guys book before December 6th or on December 6th, between now and December 19th, you can save up to 25%. So make sure to get on those computers and book with us, guys.
That's amazing. Spend your howlidays at Great Wolf Lodge. Thanks for having us.
Thanks so much for being here, guys.
So much more.